Hi guys, Lee from Frost again. Today we're with Jonathan from Barber Chemicals. Jonathan supplies us with all our plating kits, stripping kits, a lot of different stuff that Jonathan actually supplies us. It is on the website, and today we're just going to go through setting up the common plating module. Now this module is the same module for all of the other plating kits, but we just think it's just for your benefit just to go through quite simply, quickly, how to set the common plating module up for the kits. Jonathan, if you wouldn't mind, sir?
So what we're going to do, we're going to take the support clips. There's 2 red and 2 black. And the support tank rods. 1 sleeved, 1 not. The sleeved red one is going to be pushed through the holes of the clips.
Yep. That's it.
So that first rod clips across the tank like that.
Yep.
And then we repeat that again with the unsleeved rod.
Okay.
Like so.
Yep.
And then the common way to do it would be to have this at 90 degrees, like that.
Yep.
But if there was a particular part in it and it's more convenient, they can actually run parallel with each other like that. But we'll do it like that because it's probably a bit easier to see.
Okay.
So that forms the basis of the support, and these then will provide a support position for the anodes. Let's take these, which are the Crocodile Clip leads.
And do we use all of these in the kit, or?
Initially you'll use 2 to support the anodes, and depending on how many parts are in the tank, 1 for each of those.
Okay.
So a minimum of 3, but the others will come in handy because there'll be more parts to be done down the line. I'll keep the colours the same, although it doesn't really matter, but it's just easier to see.
Understood.
For the plating kits, the anodes are going to be connected to the red bar. So we'll take a red lead and we'll tie it off like that and clip
to the
one end onto the end of that rod.
Cool.
And then that will then attach to the relevant anode for the kit.
Yep.
And it'll go into the plating solution.
Understood.
And then we'll take another black one and tie that onto the black bar and clip that onto it here. And then that will clip to the item that you're plating, and that will go into the solution.
Understood.
Variable voltage power supply.
Yep.
Obviously plug into the mains. That plugs into the DC socket on there, and then there's coloured leads. You just need a screwdriver just to fit these on, so that goes onto the end of that rod.
And that onto the black one?
End of the black rod.
Okay.
And that is the setup for the common plating module. That's the same setup for all of the plating kits.
Yeah, so from this point on, it would just be either your salts or your solutions to be put into the tank. And what sort of voltage are we working with here?
All low voltage, so all safe. So this is variable between 3 and 12. 12 is going to be too high. You'll be operating between 3 and maybe 7.5 maximum. Okay. There is a test that you can do to test this at any time.
Okay.
Where you switch the voltage to 9 volts on here, and you would short these 2 leads out. You could use a small piece of wire or a paper clip, or just something that electrically connects them together.
Yep.
With that plugged in on 9 volts, and you should get the LED light flashing at that stage.
Yep.
During plating, the LED light doesn't flash.
Right, that's a good
only
point.
There if there's an error. The voltage is either switched too high, or there's a short on something electrically in the tank.
Understood.
This will flash. At that point, whenever that's flashing, there's no plating.
So when that's flashing, there's no plating taking place.
Correct.
Fantastic. And really, that's it. That's your common plating module done and dusted. Thank you.